What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 92, and today we're going to take a look at doing swing trades on QQQ and how you could potentially use these alongside your ODTE options, kind of like as a hedge or just to lock in extra profit based on how I would say QQQ has been moving over the last couple of weeks. All right, so here we have QQQ up on the chart right now, and we do have it on the weekly. And if we take a look at it, this was back on April 30th. It was 432. We come down here, it went all the way down to 423. Now remember, this period was around when they had the FMOC, and it was just moving crazy. That week was so crazy for me. I think I did like 2 trades. I ended up doing a swing, and I made like $150. But prior to that, I also lost some money, and then I tried to do a ODTE again, and the same thing happened. Time decay just destroyed me, so I ended up not making any profit. But like I said, I only did like 2 or 3 trades for that period. So we move over here, and we see on this dip, it's 422.16, and boom, we have a big spike here, right? So it goes up. And this was right around, I believe, when Powell was speaking. Came all the way up to 429 and then came back down. And then it just started to move here. Boom, 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 boom. Now this was to the 3rd. So fast forward now to yesterday, which was Monday, the 6th. All right. So 1 a.m. If you notice now, it just starts to trend all the way up. Boom, 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 boom. I believe it got all the way up to like 440 yesterday. So from here to here, it was like a $5 move. All right, plenty enough for you to make some money if you decided to trade this. Now we're gonna go into the charts and hop in and take a look at my my swing. All right, so here we have QQQ pulled up on the chart, and we can see right away that we have a channel here. So top of the channel, or resistance, bottom, or support. All right, so you guys could see it's been bouncing in between this channel for a while. Comes up here, comes back down, comes here, and I enter around this point, right? Not the most ideal entry, but what has been happening lately, if you were to buy this on, say, a 0-day to expire option, you would get crushed just off the time decay. Because normally, if it goes up like once, comes back down, touches, goes back up, usually on this 3rd one, it will start to shoot up or shoot down. It'll break out of the channel. Look how many touches it's had within this channel, and it just keeps going. Even down here, you would think, oh, let me get puts. It's a breakout to the downside. Boom, boom. Comes out of the channel a little bit, retests, and just shoots back up. Goes all the way up. Oh, it's going to keep running now. Boom. No, it stays within the channel. The problem is the time it's taking to do this really eats away when you're doing the 0 days to expire options. So getting the swing, which is a swing, is just a trade similar to a day trade, but instead of expiring or you executing it the same day, you give it a couple days for it to run. And with swings, whereas say with the ODTE options, the theta is usually very high, and then like I told you guys, Robinhood will close that out around 3:30 automatically. Your swing can go all the way to like 1 minute before 4 o'clock, and you could close it that same day. Or if based on what you plot out on the chart, you think it's going to keep going, you can let it run. All right. It's just that swings are like a slow burn, so you got to know what you're doing, and you want to make sure that you have your targets set up and the areas that you know you want it to achieve. And I would hop out just before I get to that area, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. So it goes up again, boom, 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 comes down. But so just look how many times it's just up and down inside this channel. Like I said, if this was 0 DTE, you'd have lost your money. All right, so let's zoom in here. So the swing that I got in here, I'll show you guys right now. My entry was a 441 call, and it's one contract, and I paid $1.99. So pretty much I paid $200 for this. This was my entry point right around here. And like I said, just consolidation, boom, 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 boom. Just keeps going over. But pay attention to the look to the right, and you'll see the price that the channel is established on. So the bottom of this channel is around 437. The top is around 438. So I was really looking for it to break out of this area and continue. And look what happened. And we finally got a breakout right around here. So if we go ahead and zoom in, right? We've had breaks before, as you can see here. This was a break. It broke out, right? And I was looking for it to retest, come back down, and go back up, but it didn't. This retest just turned to another slide downwards. So then here we have a continuous line of it going up. It broke with a pretty strong candle. And we had another smaller candle, and I'm like, oh, here we go. It's going to go back down again. And then boom, we had a big, like almost like a Marabuzu candle, and it just went up. And then I started seeing the buying pressure build up here. Came back down a little bit. You know, I guess people finally took profits at this point. So it came back down, and then boom, 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 boom. More buying pressure, as you can see by the green bubbles. And if we scroll over from there, it just kept running, 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 running. So up until this point, where the market closed out, it was 440. So my call is 441, so I'm almost close to my goal. So if we go ahead now, and I'll zoom back out just a little bit, right? Just so you guys could see. So as you see, the line that I'm anticipating that it will go to, if we go ahead and click on this other line here, the price target for this is 442. So I'm hoping that I get close to this area. I'll probably take profits once it gets like close to it. You know, I do trend lines, but in my head I also kind of visually do like those supply and demand zones too. So typically I would say a demand zone is going to be somewhere around like supply or demand. The general area is probably going to be somewhere around here. Here's why. I have a strong feeling if it goes all the way up and it touches this line, if it starts to come down, it's going to hit hard. All right, so I'd be okay with getting out here. And like I said, the target for this, if you look on the right, you'll see the price target is 442.41. Now, if it breaks 442.41, we do have another channel up here, right? So from 442.41, we have support, and then resistance is going to be here at 445. So this is an entirely new channel. Like I said, I'm just trying to play here to here, and I'd probably take profits. Then if it starts to get up in this area, I would probably try to play in this channel again. But chances are it's going to go back up here. It's probably going to do some consolidation again for a while before it breaks into this area. So the goal is to, like I said, play from here to here and try to take profits just before it hits the line. So I'm going to hop into Robinhood right now and just show you that particular option and what it's doing. All right, so here's the option currently inside Robinhood. As you guys can see, it's the 441 call. I told you guys I bought in at $1.99, and right now it's at $2.54. So I'm doing this video on Tuesday morning before market open. It's like around 6 a.m. right now, Eastern Standard Time. So the market isn't open yet, but as you guys could see, the option is actually up. If we go ahead and we scroll down, it'll show you the information on my position. So it says currently the market value is this. This is the current price of the option. The current QQQ price is $439.70. So it's getting closer to that 442.41 that I'm looking for. And then today's return, I'm up, what is that, $55 on this particular option, or 27%. Now the expiration date on this is 5/10, so it's a swing, but it's only for a week. With SPY and QQQ, I don't usually get options longer than, say, like swing trades, longer than, say, a week. It moves, but it's not, it's not that slow. So I don't need to really go that far out. Plus, like I said, you have to trust in the fundamentals of your charting and seeing exactly where it's going and then what you want it to be. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to show you this concept of trying to incorporate swings into your trades, but obviously you want to be guided by the lines. All right. Go ahead and like this video if you did find this information useful. I make videos like this every day, so please consider subscribing. Also, go ahead and share this video with a family member or friend. Towards the end of the video, you will see 4 cards pop up with different videos. A lot of the videos that I provide, I try to provide value. So I'm not just giving you news. Yes, I give news too, but I'm also giving you little tidbits, little gems that you could take and try to put this puzzle together as far as trading is concerned. Thanks again for watching. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.